Hello, welcome friends. Today we will discuss what is component in Laravel and why should we use component in Laravel and what is purpose, what is a use case of using Laravel, using component. So let's get started. So basically, this is about us page, this is contact page, this is home page, this is service page. So we just created views for that, and when we are accessing like contact page and home page, etc. Sorry, home page. Okay, no issue. It is home page. Okay, and so at here you are seeing that uh, many most of the code is common, but some part is dynamic. So for that we can use component and we can put our code inside there. So for that, first go to views folder and create new folder with name component. As we know, uh, Laravel is case sensitive, so please put name as small, not in caps. Also, we can add any file name at inside there, like I am using layout.blad.php. Okay, now I am putting all common content inside layout. As this is not common, so at here I am using slot. Basically, slot is something which will be dynamic, and inside blade we and inside blade file we are using this curly braces are same as php and echo dollar slot. uh, this line and this line both are same. I will explain you about it also. And so I am using some part from Tailwind. Like no, this is not UI blocks. Application UI, we can use any type, so I am using this copy and then I am putting inside my layout and inside body. So this is basic dashboard, and I am also adding cdent element at here directly. Inside header Okay, means adding css of tailwind. Now go to uh, like go to home page. Now at here you are seeing home page is dynamic and other part is static, so remove and now add X layout and then close that X layout, and inside that you can put any type of data like home page. Now go at here. Now it is home page, so we can put all type, all data like about us, contact us, all about page, contact page. Okay, so I'm changing now I want to change links etc at here, so there is no go to again and again in the file like about us, contact us, homepage. There is no requirement like in the WordPress we use header.php for common file, same as that. So in the MVC there is views, so inside that we are using layout.blade, and at here I am using like home, about, contact, services. Contact services. Now all change about, contact, and I think services is not added, so it is very cool thing. There is no requirement for add data at here. Just copy from here, sorry, copy from here and paste services. So now it is very dynamic. Now dashboard is coming everywhere, but it will be some dynamic. So for that like from here it is coming as dashboard. So for that there are two type. First is we can pass as prop at here like heading, heading about page, heading contact page, means we can pass from here, and at here we can directly hit enter and heading. Cool. So we edit for about. Okay, about is coming and about also coming, but when we go to like contact, then it will give error because at here heading is not coming. Um, so for that we have to pass heading at here also. Heading contact, and it is working. So it is dynamic. So um, there are two type. We can use via this method, or we can pass via x slot. X slot and then heading and then close. So it also works same. There is no change. So I feel it is better like X slot heading. So we can pass in both way, like for about we can pass. So it is very optimized way. Now it is dynamic and it is also dynamic. And one more thing which I told you in the starting, like this is same thing like slot curly braces, and it is PHP. So I'm commenting it here and uncomment this code, and then there is no change. So basically this is short form of this PHP echo dollar slot. So in the Laravel they provide this short form. I think you got concept of components, and feel free to ask question. I will definitely help you, and thanks for watching it. And if you found this video helpful, then please like subscribe to my channel. Thank you.